Hello, Hamster Kombat lovers. Welcome back to Crypto Buddy. In today's video, we'll go over everything you need to know about Hamster Kombat Payout, including token allocation, distribution, price, and possible earnings. If you want to know how much you can make and how to calculate your predicted token allocation, stay tuned as we lead you through the steps. Firstly, talking about Hamster Kombat latest updates. Let's get into the latest updates from Hamster Kombat's official sources. It's been buzzing in the crypto community with recent changes in token distribution methods and pricing strategies. Hamster Kombat has switched to a new profit per hour system, which significantly impacts how tokens are allocated and distributed. Understanding these updates is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Now let's talk about the payout structure in Hamster Kombat. Understanding this is crucial if you want to maximize your potential earnings. The core of the Hamster Kombat payout revolves around a metric known as profit per hour. This metric is a key determinant in figuring out how many tokens you'll receive based on your in-game earnings. For instance, let's say you have a profit per hour of 1 million. According to the current distribution ratio of 1:100, this would entitle you to 10,000 tokens. This ratio means that for every 100 units of profit per hour, you receive 1 token. This straightforward system makes it easy to calculate your expected token allocation. But let's break it down step by step for clarity. Identify your profit per hour. The first step is to check your Hamster Kombat account to see your current profit per hour. This value reflects how much you earn in the game on an hourly basis. Now let us apply the distribution ratio. Once you have your profit per hour, you can apply the distribution ratio to determine your token allocation. The ratio is 1:100, so you simply divide your profit per hour by 100. For example, if your profit per hour is 1 million, dividing this by 100 gives you 10,000 tokens. After calculating your token allocation, these tokens will be transferred to your connected wallet. For instance, if your profit per hour is 500,000, dividing by 100 gives you 5,000 tokens, which will appear in your wallet. This process ensures transparency and allows you to track your earnings accurately. Now, coming to the most eagerly awaited part, which is the price prediction. The price of Hamster Kombat tokens is another critical factor that can significantly impact your earnings. As with any cryptocurrency, the price can fluctuate based on market conditions. Currently, the pre-market price of Hamster Kombat tokens is around $0.27. However, during the actual launch, the price could be significantly higher. For instance, the token price recently touched $0.30, which indicates a positive trend. This increase suggests that there is growing interest and demand for Hamster Kombat tokens. It's essential to monitor these price trends regularly because they directly affect the value of your tokens and, consequently, your earnings. As we always say, all these don't remain constant always. There are several factors influencing the price of Hamster Kombat tokens. Let's talk about those now. Firstly, the market demand. Higher demand for the tokens can drive up the price. This demand can be influenced by the game's popularity, new features, or successful marketing campaigns. Next comes the token utility. The more utility the Hamster Kombat tokens have within the game, the more valuable they become. If the tokens can be used for various in-game purchases or exclusive features, their value is likely to increase. The next one is the overall crypto market trends. The general sentiment in the cryptocurrency market also plays a crucial role in price fluctuations. If the market is bullish, prices tend to rise, and if the market is bearish, prices might fall. By understanding these factors, you can better predict price movements and make informed decisions about when to hold or sell your tokens. For example, if you have a profit per hour of 1 million and the token price is $0.27, your 10,000 tokens would be worth $2,700. If the price increases to $0.30, the value of your tokens will rise to $3,000. Additionally, monitoring the market and staying informed about the latest updates from Hamster Kombat by subscribing to our channel can help you maximize your earnings and make the most out of your gaming efforts. Calculating your potential earnings from Hamster Kombat is a crucial step in understanding how much you can actually make from your gaming efforts. This involves 2 key elements: your profit per hour and the current token price. Let's break this down in a detailed and clear manner. First, you need to identify your profit per hour, which is the amount you earn within the game every hour. This figure is essential because it forms the basis for calculating your token allocation. Hamster Kombat uses a distribution ratio of 1:100, meaning for every 100 units of profit per hour, you receive 1 token. Let's take a simple example by considering a profit per hour of 1 million. If your profit per hour is 1 million, you would start by applying the distribution ratio. Divide your profit per hour by 100 to determine your token allocation. So 1 million divided by 100 equals 10,000 tokens. This means you will receive 10,000 Hamster Kombat tokens for every hour of gameplay, generating 1 million in profit. Next, consider the current token price. Let's say the token price is $0.27. To find out the value of your tokens, multiply the number of tokens by the token price. In this case, 10,000 tokens multiplied by $0.27 equals $2,700. Therefore, if the token price remains at $0.27, your 10,000 tokens would be worth $2,700. However, token prices can fluctuate. If the token price increases to $0.30, the value of your tokens would also rise. Using the same calculation, 10,000 tokens multiplied by $0.30 equals $3,000. Hence, a higher token price significantly boosts your earnings. Let's consider another example with profit per hour a bit lesser, say 500,000 only. Now, let's consider a lower profit per hour of 500,000. Applying the same distribution ratio, divide your profit per hour by 100. So 500,000 divided by 100 equals 5,000 tokens. This means you will receive 5,000 Hamster Kombat tokens for every hour of gameplay, generating 500,000 in profit. Using the current token price of $0.27, multiply the number of tokens by the token price to find their value. In this case, 5,000 tokens multiplied by $0.27 equals $1,350. Therefore, if the token price remains at $0.27, your 5,000 tokens would be worth $1,350. Again, if the token price increases to $0.30, the value of your tokens would rise accordingly. Using the same calculation, 5,000 tokens multiplied by $0.30 equals $1,500. Thus, the higher token price increases the value of your earnings. One of the most effective ways to maximize your earnings from Hamster Kombat is to boost your profit per hour. This involves strategizing your gameplay to ensure you are consistently earning as much as possible. Engaging in higher yield activities within the game, participating in events, and optimizing your in-game investments can all contribute to a higher profit per hour. Additionally, staying updated with game updates and new features can provide opportunities to increase your earnings. By focusing on improving your profit per hour, you can significantly enhance your token allocation and consequently your overall earnings. One last and the most important that we urge you is to be cautious. While the potential earnings from Hamster Kombat are attractive, it is essential to be aware of the inherent risks involved. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, which means that token prices can change rapidly, affecting the value of your holdings. It is not uncommon for prices to experience significant swings within a single day, which can impact your potential earnings both positively and negatively. Security is another critical aspect to consider. Ensure that your wallet and account are secure to prevent any loss of tokens. Use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts and other security threats. Keeping your digital assets secure is vital to protecting your investments. Regulatory changes can also impact cryptocurrency trading. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are continuously evolving their stance on cryptocurrencies. New regulations can affect the legality, taxation, and trading of digital assets. Staying informed about these changes is crucial to ensuring compliance and avoiding any potential legal issues. And that's a wrap on our comprehensive updates to Hamster Kombat Payout. We've covered the latest updates, how to calculate your token allocation, price predictions, potential earnings, and crucial cautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for our next update, and happy earning with Hamster Kombat.